Okay. Irish chicken, rice. We have steamed chicken. May mga vegetables. So, steamed chicken. Yeah. And anong tawag dito? Sitaw. Yeah. Sitaw with red pepper, meat, pork meat. Grilled. Okay, meron pa tayong isang order. Chinese duck steam. Yeah. Looks delicious. Sabi ng mga Thai is aroy makmak. So let's see. Try. Alright. Ang gagawin nyo, dip nyo sa chili and garlic. And then bite. Then meron tayong soup. Soup of the day. Chicken with some vegetable. Wow. Meron tayong pantulak, chrysanthemum tea. Hindi naman ako malakas kumain, pero tatlong rice, Irish chicken rice. Yan na bet? Mauubos ko yan. Okay. Time to eat. At yung wife ko kakain din. So kakain muna kami. Enjoy the food. Welcome to Bangkok. So come and visit Bangkok. Delicious food all over here in Thailand. So try. We love it.